everybody. I just got out of the shower and it's kind of chilly outside. It's like 21 degrees. But today is the Bath & Body Works candle day where they're like 10 bucks. And so your girl's headed there to get some candles. Also, literally set an alarm for super early this morning because there was a drop of these candles from this small business owner called Stella Candle Co. I'll have her link down below. And she was releasing a Vampire Diaries inspired collection, so I really wanted to get some of those because I'm obsessed with that show. So it's just an all-around candle day, so we're gonna go get some candles. Probably bring my phone in to film so I don't have to carry my camera because I don't have pockets. So anyways, we're gonna do that, and then I'm going to work today, so honestly that's the only thing exciting happening today. So let's get all the footage we can get. So I just finished with Bath & Body Works. I got the goods right here. So this is kind of cool. They gave us like a reusable tote bag this year. And I'll show you guys the candles I got. I got 2 of these candles. It's the cinnamon ginger snap candle. I honestly wouldn't feel like I would usually go for a candle like this, but honestly it smells really, really good. A candle for my friend. This one is spiced gingerbread. This is what it looks like. It smells really good also. This one I got was vanilla balsam, which I already have this one at home, but I got this one for my mom. And it smells, I was about to put it up to you guys to smell. It smells really good. This is what it looks like. So we had a slight change of plans. I am not going to work at my other job tonight. I'm gonna go shoot a wedding tonight. I'm gonna be a second shooter for a wedding. This girl posted on her Instagram looking for a second shooter, and I volunteered as tribute. It is actually a job though, so yeah, for those who don't know, I do wedding photography, and this month is kind of slow because weddings, they're not as big as a thing here in December, so this is a good job opportunity. So I'm gonna go do that in a few hours. Gonna change, but I'm just marinating some chicken for dinner tonight, and yeah, that is that. So I'm super excited because I love weddings. I just got done shooting a wedding, headed to my car, but there's all these pretty Christmas lights. Do you guys see that? Now I'm gonna head home. I just got done for the day, and yeah, it was really fun. It was beautiful. So that is the end of today. Good morning, everybody. It is Saturday, December 5th, and we are headed to Salt Lake City, Utah. Salt Lake City to go celebrate Ian's mom's birthday. So we got a little present right here. We're getting a call from his dad. Hold up. We are headed to a place called the Red Iguana in Salt Lake City. It's apparently one of the best Mexican restaurants in Utah. So Ian will be the test of that since he actually lived in Mexico. I'm not a big Mexican food fan, but we're gonna see how it goes. So yeah, I'm super excited. After that, it's a busy day, guys. So after that, we're gonna head back home. Then I have to head straight to my Christmas minis, which are photo shoots I'm doing that are discounted sessions in a Christmas tree farm. So I'm super excited about that. I have 6 sessions I'm gonna be shooting tonight. And then after that, we're going to a Christmas market tonight with my brother and his girlfriend. So that is the plan today. It's gonna be a busy day, but I'm super, super excited. I feel like it's probably the most authentic Mexican food place in Utah that I've been to. So yeah, I feel like it's pretty good. I enjoyed it. I'm not a big Mexican food fan, but it was actually pretty good. It was a pretty busy restaurant. Like there's lines waiting outside to get in. So if you guys are ever in Utah looking for some good Mexican food, this lighting is horrendous, then go to the Red Iguana. So I'm in the car now and I'm about to go head to my Christmas mini shoots. I'm going to a Christmas tree farm, so I'll try to get some behind the scenes footage, but I don't know if it's gonna be the most proper thing to whip out a camera, so we'll see what I get, but I'm super excited. It's chilly outside, so I got my jacket, but let's go do this. All right guys, we are halfway through the Christmas minis. They are turning out so well. I'm super excited with how they're turning out. I just did a little family session, then a couple session, and then I have like a 15-minute break in between this time and then the next session, and we're doing a maternity session and then ending with 2 couple sessions. So super excited. It's been going super well, and we've gotten a lot of good shots. This is the Christmas tree farm. This is a Christmas tree farm with all these little trees, and then there's also trees on this side too, so it's kind of cool. They're just all around, and it's just like a private owned Christmas tree farm. All right guys, we are at a Christmas market. I'll show you guys, it looks so pretty. Look at all the lights, guys.
Also,
that's so cute. Oh. Hi guys. Hi. It's so cold out here. I'm gonna get a crepe later. I just passed a crepe stand and it looks so good. Just casually about. There we go. Oh, first bite on camera, everybody. Crepe with Nutella in it. I don't like Nutella usually, but we're gonna see.
it's good.
It's good. All right, guys, that's gonna end today. We are now home, and I will see you guys tomorrow. Bye. Good morning, everybody. It is Sunday morning, and I'm about to eat some breakfast. I got, what is this? Naked mango something juice, really good. And then I'm just gonna eat some yogurt. Happy Vlogmas day 5, maybe? Oh, 6. Day 6. I just woke up, and I showered, and I'm just been chilling, watching YouTube videos, and now I'm eating. Today's Sunday, so it's a super chill day. We wanted to hang our Christmas lights today, but we don't have a ladder, so that's an issue. That's that, and I just have a lot of editing to do today. Nothing really exciting's happening. I might be getting a new computer today from my brother. He's a really good editing computer, and my computer is just so slow and not the best. So I'm getting a laptop from him. He uses for video editing because he's a professional video editor. He does the YouTube family here on YouTube, all their YouTube videos. So hopefully that video will help make my workflow very fast and very easy. Just kind of get organized, probably clean up the house a little bit, and yeah. I'm wearing the pajamas I got the other day from Emmy and Kay. I showed on a vlog a few days back. They're super cute, and they're just, you know, fun, very festive. I feel like a candy cane, which, you know, is totally the vibe this month. So yeah, that is that. I'll have them linked down below if you guys want to go check them out. Alright guys, so I'm in the office right now. I'm not going to show you guys because it's really messy, but I'm listening to the What We Said podcast. This is literally my jam. I love listening to JC and Chelsea every single week. Then I'm just editing some pictures. I'll kind of show you guys. Let's see. You could kind of see that. But these are some bridals I took up in the mountains, and it's so beautiful. I'm so excited. Alright friends, it is dinner time now and we are going to be making some chicken Madeira, a copycat recipe for the Cheesecake Factory. So I'm super excited. We are about to steam our asparagus. I'm about to cut an onion, and then I got my mushrooms and just kind of have all this stuff prepped. And then we're gonna get it started. So I'm super excited. Literally the best stuff ever is pre-minced garlic. Maybe it's not as fresh, but honestly it makes the job so much easier because I could just put garlic straight in without having to mince it every time, and we use garlic all the time. Alright guys, I'm cooking the last chicken breast. These are the first 2 breasts. We also got some pastaroni going over here. And yeah, it's going good. It smells good, so hopefully it tastes good. The next thing we have is some American Madeira. We are going to get 1.5 cups of this. Okay guys, this is what it's looking like so far. We're gonna put it in the broiler and let the cheese and everything melt for a few minutes, and then it will be ready. All right guys, so this is the finished chicken Madeira. This is what it looks like, and so hopefully it tastes good. Ian just came home from work to have some.
See how she does, guys. See if we'll stay married.
Actually, yeah, Ian, first taste test because this is your favorite thing. Hope the chicken's cooked all the way.
Wow, cooked perfectly.
Is it? Ooh. Is that a good thing?
Wait. That's good. That's impressive.
Is it? Oh, good.
That tastes very much like Cheesecake
Oh, good.
Factory.
That makes me happy. Good.
Good job, babes.
Alright guys, I'm gonna try the first bite. Yeah, no, it has actually a pretty good taste. Was the asparagus perfect? Oh,
wow,
good.
yeah.
Good. Just finished eating dinner, and I'm gonna show you guys this new, possibly new setup. My computer kind of sucks, and my brother is selling his computer, and he also has a monitor to go with it. So I'm gonna show you guys this. So it's actually a laptop, not a computer. It's called like Alienware or something. I'm gonna test it out, see if I like it, because I am used to Mac, Apple products. And then this is a monitor, which I really like having a huge screen. Guys, look. My neighbor left me some cookies. That is so sweet. Aww.